Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil and filter change on a 2018 Ford F-150 for under $100 and in less than an hour. All you need is a couple of tools and a few items from the auto parts store. Let's get to it. I got the filter. You got a new plug right there. That's to take the filter off. I got that to pour the oil in there. I got some oil. 15mm socket. I think that's what I need. And some rags, a towel, something to lay on. And I'm going to go under there. Here we go. I almost forgot. I need a bucket to catch all the old oil. My truck is lifted, so this should fit nicely under the truck. Hopefully I can position it right. Alright, I laid this out. Go under and find where the oil drips from. Let's say there's the wheel. It's just right at the back of the wheel and right in the center. That's stripped. Hopefully I can get it off. It looks like there's multiple areas where this oil is going to come out from. One, the least amount came out from this, which looks like it's meant to drain the oil out. A whole bunch came out over here, just randomly spewed out from the back here. And once I did that, more started coming out back there. I guess it's all coming out. That's good. And I got this off. Looks like I got the wrong size oil filter wrench. This is too big. That's the old one. Little drips. I'll give it a few minutes to get the last bit of oil out of there, and I'll put the new one in. I'll lightly oil the rubber gasket. Just put a little oil on it like this. The threads a little bit. Oil it up. There we go. I think you turn it until it's hand tight. That's about it. And it says about a 3/4 further turn. Yeah, don't use a wrench or anything. That's probably the 1 3/4, but it looks pretty tight right there. I'm gonna go ahead and stop. Yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to over tighten it, but that looks pretty good. Feels good. I got a new, I don't know what it's called, bolt plug, drain plug. It's supposed to collect all the loose metal shavings or debris from in there. We'll see if that works. I don't know. Probably not going to ever stop leaking, just because it's a lot of oil in there, and so it'll probably just slow leak forever. I'm just going to stop it. It's like a race. Oh yeah, that magnet's strong. Okay, oh jeez. I could just set it right there while I'm getting ready. Can't really tell if it's leaking just yet, but we'll find out. I'm going to clean up as much of the loose oil that's dripped on all these parts here as much as I can. Then I'm going to fill the oil from the top Well, let's just see if I can do this without making a huge mess. All right, just filled it up. Nothing's leaking there, nothing there, nothing underneath. So I'm trying to get it right in between there. It's hard to tell, isn't it? I think it's right there. It's definitely here. And there's a little bit wet right there, but it's definitely up past that line. Oil change required light is on. We'll see if I got this right. We're going to navigate using these buttons here and engine information. Okay, it says press OK to reset. So that's the OK button. Hold it down, resetting. Boom. Percent oil life, 100%. So that's it. Fresh oil and a new filter for under $100 in less than an hour. I know in my area I have to spend almost $200 for an oil and filter change, so this is a lot less than I would be paying if I took it to a shop, and it didn't take me much time at all. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. There'll be a lot more projects like this with my truck and a lot of other projects around the house that I'll be doing and sharing with you guys.